the way the charge reads, it requires the offense is complete at the time that an agreement is
reached.
made. So
The agreement is made at the time, allegedly, when they're stopped. They had the wherewithal, if they wanted to arrest him at that time, where subject to arrest at that time, they could have made the charge, so to speak, right? But they decided to wait.
Well, Your Honor, if I may, the statute reads they had honor about his person while committing criminal activity, and the firearm was in the vehicle while the offer was being made. It was just on the way to the hotel or the motel is when they stopped him and search incident to arrest for that solicitation. That's when they found the firearm. But the firearm was on or about the defendant's person while he was engaged in the offer for the solicitation.
And also, if I may, Judge, I would also say it would make sense for safety procedures for them to make the arrest while he was on the way to the motel so that they could have followed him and it wasn't just that undercover officer there at the scene of making the arrest.
I don't know, because they could have arrested him at the time, right on the spot. I don't know why they would try to bolster the case, I guess, by saying that there's more evidence of guilt by actually going to the motel. I mean, theoretically, they could have arrested at the time that the agreement is made, right? It's a contract.
Judge, I think we would just stick to the way the statute is worded is while engaged, and the firearm was there. And they could have arrested him earlier, but as Mackenzie knows, they do that routinely for safety purposes, as well as perhaps, as you mentioned, they could have done it for further evidence as well, further investigation.
Prostitution cases I've seen is they arrest right on the spot, right then and there. They don't wait. I mean, the offense occurs right then and there.
And the offense did occur, and while the defendant was in the vehicle, that's when the offense occurred. He was in the vehicle when they made that agreement, and the firearm was in the vehicle. They found it right after they followed him to the motel. It was in the same transaction.
the offense was complete.
I agree with you. I'll find no problem. Okay.